Hi, we are going to get some clarity on valency and oxidation states. What is called valency? The number of electrons which are involved in bond formation is considered as valency. Number of electrons involved in bond formation is considered as valency. Then what is called oxidation state? Then what is called oxidation state? Oxidation state. Number of electrons unequally distributed from one atom is called oxidation state, or simply valency with positive or negative signs. Positive or negative sign is oxidation state. Then we will take one example to understand, taking the P4 molecule. In this P4 molecule, every phosphorus made 3 bonds with other 3 phosphorus atoms. This is the phosphorus, 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 phosphorus. It made one bond with this phosphorus. It made one bond with this phosphorus. This is the scenario. Every phosphorus has 5 valency electrons. Here 3 bonds are formed and the remaining 2 electrons are there on every phosphorus atom. Since the bonds are formed between the same atoms, so they are equally distributed. Bond due to equal distribution of electron. Equal distribution of electron. Right? Number of bonds formed by each phosphorus is equal to 3. That number is called valency. Because of equal distribution, oxidation state is 0. Because of equal distribution, oxidation state of phosphorus is 0. So in P4 molecule, every phosphorus atom has valency 3 and oxidation state 0. Bond due to equal distribution of electrons is non-polar. Right. Taking another example, S8 molecule. S8 molecule. Here this is the sulfur. This is the sulfur. 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 Every sulfur has 6 valency electrons, and here every sulfur made bond with 2 more sulfur atoms. That means every sulfur has 2 lone pairs or 2 unshared pairs. So this is the way of representation of the S8 molecule. The bond formed between 2 sulfur atoms is a non-polar bond. So oxidation state is 0. And in this molecule, valency of sulfur is equal to 2. Oxidation state of sulfur is 0. This molecule is very important for all the NEET examinations and for the JEE mains examination. Take the structure of Br3O8 molecule. In this Br3O8, here a bond is formed between bromine and bromine. and here is the double bond O, 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 and this is also double bond O. Here this bond, these two bonds are formed between two atoms of same electronegativity, so that bond can be considered as a non-polar bond. And the remaining bonds, that is the bond between the bromine and oxygen, is considered as a polar bond. Now we are going to discuss about the valency. What is the valency of this bromine? Just number of bonds formed around the bromine: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So valency is 7. Come to this bromine: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here valency of the central bromine is 6. And come forward for this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here valency is 7. Right? Now, how can you calculate the oxidation state? Oxidation state is the number of bonds between the hetero atoms. That means with the oxygens, not with the bromine. Now we are going to count the oxidation state. This bond is counted, this bond is counted, this is counted, this is counted, and this bromine is not counted because this bond is not counted because it is formed between two bromine atoms, and it will be counted 5 and it will be counted 6. So oxidation state, your oxidation state is equal to +6 because oxygen is more electronegative. Oxygen always exhibits -2 in this compound. And come to this bromine. Here this bond is not counted and it can be counted as 1, 2, it is not counted, 3 and 4. So here oxidation state is, for this bromine, oxidation state is +6. Here also, +4. Here also oxygen exhibits -2. And come forward for this bromine. Here this bond is not counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here its oxidation state for this bromine is +6. Oxygen exhibits -2, -2, -2. So this gives a good information for all the NEET and JEE mains students. Thank you.